Hello friends. So today we will check data types in C. So what is data types? It specifies the size and type of information the variable will store. So in C, basically these are the basic data types. One is int. It stores whole numbers only. In modern compiler, it will take around 4 bytes. And the next is float. It stores the decimal values also. It also take 4 bytes and it is storing decimal digit up to 6 to 7 digit. And the double, it stores the fractional numbers and it takes 8 bytes and storing up to 15 digit decimal digit. And next is the char. It stores a single character that we checked in previous video, right? And the another one is the character array. Suppose we want to store some name or anything, so we can use character array. And the another one is the bool. It is a true or false. That is needed separate header file like std bool.h. Okay, so we can just check. First, we can check integer. So int x is equal to 10. So we declared one variable x. Int x is equal to 10. So now just we can printf x equal to percentage d. Here we can tell the format specifier, right? Percentage d, because it is an integer x. So we'll run this, then we will get x is equal to 10. We need to just check the size of the variable also. So here we can type the printf size is equal to percentage d. Here we can use the size of operator, size of x. So here it will display how much bytes is needed, right? Here we are put slash and also. Okay, that's fine. Can run this. Then x is equal to 10 and size is equal to 4 bytes. Here we cannot do any decimal values because integer can hold only whole numbers. See, we are getting 10. Okay. Suppose we want to use decimal numbers, then we need to use float. So here we can use float. Float x is equal to 10.657. And in the printf, we need to use, we are using float, right? Then we need to use percentage f. And size is 0. Then we need to just run this. The x is equal to 10.657. And the size is equal to 4. So we need to store more decimal digit. Then we need to use the double. The size is 8 bytes for double. So we can use double, and x is equal to, we can use 0.73, something. Here we can use percentage LF. We can just run this. Then we are getting 10.657898 only. We need to print up to 15 digits. Then we can use here 0.15. Then we will get full digit. Okay. Next is char. So we need to store one character or anything. Then we can use char. So char grade equal to, we can mention like a, and print of, here we can use percentage grade equal to percentage C. Then use grade here and size of grade. So character stores a single character. It is 1 byte only. You can just run grade equal to A and size is equal to 1. Next we need to store some name. So that time we can use character. So here we can use like name equal to free coding. So here we can mention name. This is a string, right? So percentages. Here we can put name and name. So it will contain, so we just run this. So name is equal to free coding. We are using format specifier here, percentages. And the size is 12 because 1, 2, 3, 4, space 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, including null can. So it will type size 12. Okay. So that is the character. Next is bool. Bool means we can tell bool is active. That is equal to, we can put true or false. So printf, here we can tell just like bool means it is a true or false, one or so, one or zero. So here we can tell percentage D is active and the size is also is active. Now we are getting one error because it is needed the header file std bool.h. So we need to include that. Std bool.h. Then we will run, we'll get this active is 1 and the size is 1. Okay. So these are the basic data types in C.